Hey everyone, how's it going? I've been having a lot of fun drawing all the new different Godzilla and Kong videos, and I thought I'd show you guys another one today. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus Skar King in a surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla versus Skar King surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with our drawing, let's begin with Godzilla. I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's going to go down, and then back here like a check mark. Next, we're going to make lines going to come over and then up for the eye. I want to bring this line down and then another line just to make some detail back there. I'll also add one or two little lines underneath the eye. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down a little bit for his head. I'll bring this over and down again, and then I'll bring this line straight to the end. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'll make a little line here that kind of curve around for the nostril. I'll add a little line in here for some detail as well. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. Then I'll make another line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then up for the jaw. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and over, and then one more that goes down for a scaly neck. I'll make a little line right here. Now for his spikes, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and down, and then up and down. Then we'll make one that's going to go up and down, and then off the end of the paper. Now let's come over here and draw Skar King. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, and then up. Then I'll make a line that's going to go down and then up here for the eye. We'll bring this line down here a little bit with another one. And then I'm going to make a little line underneath here. I'm going to bring this line out and then in. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down. I want to make a bump right here for the nose with a little curve. And then a line down. Make a line that's going to go down and then over here. And then we'll curve this line down. Now before we add anything else over here, we're going to jump up here and finish him off. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and in. Then we'll go up and in again. Kind of make it look like his forehead is wrinkly. I'm going to curve this line up and then down to here. And then I want to put a few zigzag lines in here and then a couple right here. I'm going to make a couple more zigzag lines that come down here. And then I'm going to put a few here with a little curve for the ear and a little line inside of there. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and I'm going to put a couple little zigzags here to connect it. I'm going to bring this line down to a point And then I'm going to bring this up. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to draw a line down for some detail on his head. And then a little line down here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we have this opened up, we have two halves of our picture. We have Godzilla and then Skar King. I'm going to begin here with Godzilla, and I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this up, and then down to here. We're going to bring this line up, and then we're just going to bring it over here to connect it. I want to put some sharp teeth in here, and I'm going to make them a little bit different size. And then same thing down here, just make some sharp pointy teeth. For the tongue, let's curve a line that's going to go down and up, and then back to here. Now, I want to put his atomic blast in here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out at an angle, and then one here that's going to come out at an angle. Then I'm going to make some little pointed lines all around here, just to kind of show where his blast is. Now, our next step is I'm going to bring a line down here, and we're going to jump over his blast and come right to here. And then we'll do one more here. That way we have like the inside and then the outside of the mouth. Now let's work on Skar King. I'm going to begin by drawing this line down, and then I'm going to curve it up. We're going to come down, and then over to here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go to here. And I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm just going to bring this line down. Now for the teeth, I'm going to start off with a small tooth right there, and then a longer one here, and then a couple more rounded ones back here. Then down here, I'll start with a small one, then I'm going to make a really big, tall one, and then some smaller ones back here. For his tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then up and down again. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down for the mouth, and then another little line right here. Now, I want to make his hand coming out here from like the other side of his mouth, and he's going to be holding his whip. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out. I'm going to make some little zigzag lines here and then bring it over. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, over, and then back up. We'll make a line here, and then we'll curve this line around. And then we'll make a couple more here. And we'll connect it here. Now for his whip, I'm going to draw two lines that come up. And we're going to put a bump on here. Then we'll just connect it. And I'm going to do that right here. Two lines up, a little bump, and then we'll kind of connect it. You can see it's kind of curving. And then I'm going to keep doing this all around here just to kind of shape out how his whip is going to look. So we're just going to kind of keep repeating this shape right around here. And we're just going to kind of jump over Godzilla's atomic blast. We'll bring this line down and over. Down here. Go down and over. Down and over here. Down and over here. And then we'll kind of curve this to here and put a little bump on it. Then on the other side, I'm going to make some small bumps, just so it kind of looks like it's the made out of a spine, so it kind of looks like it's the vertebrae. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla versus Skar King in a surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have them giving each other a mean stare down, and then when you open it, Godzilla's using his atomic blast, and Skar King is trying to block it with his whip. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.